हेलो, मैं हूँ शनाल और मैं खड़ी हूँ मुंबई के ओबरॉय ट्राइडेंट के रीगल रूम के बाहर, जहाँ इस साल का सबसे ग्लिट्सी, सबसे ग्लैमरस, सबसे मेगा हैपनिंग इवेंट शुरू होने वाला है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन Serum Institute Cyrus Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards 2011. This is all so beautiful. Well guys, इस जगह को मूला रूज थीम का डेकोर दिया गया हुआ है and red seems to be the color of the evening. Well, the mood, the lighting, the decor, everything seems so magical and I feel there's something very special that's going to happen tonight. जैसे Zoom इंडिया का नंबर 1 बॉलीवुड चैनल है, उसी तरह हेलो मैगजीन दुनिया की नंबर 1 सेलिब्रिटी मैगजीन है और सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट साइरस पूनावाला ग्रुप हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड इंडिया के वन एंड ओनली पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड अवार्ड्स है। एंड इन अवार्ड्स का पर्पस ही है कि हर फील्ड में एक्सेलेंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करना, वेदर इट्स स्पोर्ट्स, वेदर इट्स सिनेमा, वेदर इट्स बिजनेस और आर्ट्स। और इस बात की गारंटी हम आपको दे सकते हैं कि जो सेलिब्रिटी टर्नआउट आपको इस रेड कार्पेट में दिखेगा वो कहीं और नहीं मिलने वाला। बिजनेस और इंडस्ट्री के हेवीवेट्स आने वाले हैं, सेलिब्रेटेड आर्टिस्ट आने वाले हैं, राजा महाराजा तक आने वाले हैं एंड बी टाउन के सुपरस्टार्स के बिना कोई पार्टी कंप्लीट हुई है? वेल, हम और आप चलिए इन सारे सेलेब से कुछ गपशप कर लेते हैं, बट उससे पहले वो आए, I really don't think I'll have time to breathe, so maybe I'll take a chill pill and come back. What do Hello Awards mean to you?
I think for me it's an evening of fun and celebration and meeting up with a lot of people who I don't normally get to meet.
It's a black tie event, so you're going to see everyone dressed up really well.
I read in the invite it's a formal black tie and I didn't have one. Today I decided not to, I'm not feeling well. So I said I won't wear a tie and go, and like halfway through I thought I hope they still give me the award.
Hello is a great magazine which mixes entertainment and social and everything, everything together. So I think it's brilliant.
Well, this is my first time attending the awards, so I'm just looking forward.
The awards tonight are commemorating those people who are truly, prestigious and truly respected and truly dignified.
I'm actually attending Hello Awards for the first time, so it's actually going to get unveiled to me and what it actually holds.
Considering the show is all about style, I think I'm expecting lots of glamour.
I'm glad that they're trying to make an effort to make all these magazines as important as it is in the rest of the world, and good luck to them.
As they say, they're the Hall of Fame, so I'm hoping to meet a lot of famous people.
Last year was a new benchmark. This year I expect it to be even better, bigger, more glamorous, and just super fabulous.
So who are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing a Ferragamo suit tonight, a tuxedo.
I'm wearing Nadine Dodi. She's a friend of mine and an upcoming designer, so I'm really excited to wear her.
Gucci. It's Shantanu and Nikhil.
I'm wearing a sari from a shop very close to my house.
You only hear this name from me. I don't know why you people even ask me. Abu Sandeep.
I'm wearing Dior.
Welcome to the 2011 Hello Hall of Fame Awards. It gives us great pleasure to have all of you here once again. And to give away the Stylish Man of the Year award, I'd like to call on stage the irrepressible opinion shaper and author, Shobha Dey.
Most stylish man of the year, someone who's effortlessly global in his style statement, Abhay Deol.
I'd like to thank the team that selected me. It was a bit of a surprise that I was getting this award. Finally, I'll get a film award as well one day. So let's hope this leads to that. Thank you.
And now I request Miss Dey to tell us who the most stylish woman of the year is.
The most stylish woman of the year, Karishma Kapoor, forever stylish.
Thank you, hello. Thank you, Ruchika. Thank you so much.
to present the Young Royal of the Year award, I'd like to call on stage the best friend of the Friends of the Museum, Princess Diya Kumari of Jaipur.
Young Royal of the Year, Princess Siddhi Kumari.
It's a very humbling experience and a very reassuring one. Thank you.
Two stalwarts that we're honouring today started their journey with a mere 50,000 rupees in their pockets.
To present a special contribution to fashion award, I'd like to call upon the First Lady of Indian cinema and an actor par excellence herself, Mrs. Jaya Bachchan.
Boys.
Thank you very much. It is fantastic to receive this award. It's been a long journey. We'd like to thank India for being India, for constantly inspiring us.
For the Emerging Business Leader of the Year, please put your hands together for the Queen Bee of Corporate Deals, Mergers and Acquisitions, the MD and Chairperson of UBS Bank, Manisha Girotra.
Good evening, and the award goes to Naveen Jindal, my dear friend.
Thank you to Hello Magazine. I'm really happy to receive this award on behalf of the team at Jindal Steel and Power. Thank you.
To give away the Rising Star of the Year award, I'd like to call on stage someone who has literally changed the way we watch movies in India, Mr. Ajay Bijli.
The Rising Star of the Year is Pratik Babbar.
Thank you, jury. Hello Magazine. Thank you, the whole team of Hello Magazine.
इतना बड़ा इवेंट हो और म्यूजिक और डांस का कोई परफॉर्मेंस ना हो, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Well, the icing on the cake for this mega event has been the hot and sexy, sizzling Latina and Can-Can acts. That was an awesome performance. The girls truly rocked it. But अब हमें लेना पड़ेगा एक super fast break, and after the break we shall show you the rest of the awards. तो आप जहाँ भी हैं कहीं नहीं जाइएगा. Stay right there.
डॉन के हर दुश्मन को ये हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए कि डॉन कभी भी कुछ नहीं भूलता.
Thank you, hello. Thank you, Ruchika. Thank you, the Times Group.
जानम समझा करो.
Welcome back. मैं हूँ शनाल और आप देख रहे हैं सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट साइंस पूनावाला ग्रुप हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड्स 2011. I know you're dying to know हमारे winners आज के कौन हैं, so let's find out.
Up next is our Young Leader of the Year award. Please welcome two sisters who come from a formidable line of filmmakers and are themselves third-generation actresses, the effortlessly talented and effervescent Kajol and Tanisha.
The Young Leader of the Year is RPN Singh.
Thank you very much for giving me this award. I've been a big fan of Kajol's. I just told her I watch all the movies.
The Artist of the Year award. And to present this award, I call onto the stage business magnate and art aficionado, Mr. Harsh Goenka, ladies and gentlemen.
The artist of the year is Atul Dodia.
Thank you. Thank you so much for this honor.
And to give away the Celebutant of the Year Male Award, please say hello to the editor of Hello, Ruchika Mehta.
And this year's Celebutant of the Year Male is Maharaj Raghav Raj Singh.
The Celebutant of the Year Female Award, please welcome the CEO of Worldwide Media, Mr. Tarun Rai.
It's my pleasure to announce the Celebutant of the Year Award to Faiza Seth.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is Sportsperson of the Year. I'd like to call upon Rajya Sabha MP and President of the Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation, Mr. Ranjit Singh Patil.
Sportsman of the Year, Gagan Narang.
And to give away the Royal of the Year Award, please put your hands together for the lady who epitomizes grace and class, Simi Gariwal.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to present the Royal of the Year Award to Maharana Arvind Singh of Mewar.
Thank you, hello. Thank you, the jury, and the entire team of Hello. Thank you very much, and thank you, Simi.
On to the Face of the Year Award. And to do the honors, please welcome the man who creates art with gold, diamonds, and gemstones, Mr. Nirav Modi.
And the Face of the Year is Sonam Kapoor.
Thank you. It's genetic, I guess, and it's all thanks to my dad and Sanjay Bansali, who, introduced me, and that's it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, thank you, Times Group.
And to present the Most Glamorous Woman of the Year Award, please give a big hand to Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, owner of the Serum Institute of India Limited, which protects more than half the world's newborn children from communicable diseases, thereby saving the lives of 3 million children annually.
The award goes to the Most Glamorous Woman of the Year, undoubtedly Deepika Padukone.
Thank you, hello, thank you, Ruchika, and thank you, Vineet. Thank you, the Times Group. Thanks, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about none other than the highly celebrated Syed Haider Raza. Now, unfortunately, Mr. Raza was unable to join us tonight, hence the Lifetime Achievement Award was presented to him in Delhi. So let's take a look at what he had to say.
My thanks to Hello, who have organized this event. Thank you very much once again.
It wasn't that exciting, but listen, the best is yet to come. सारे बड़े awards अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So come back after the break.
I want to congratulate Ruchika, Hello, and the team for really creating such a magnificent platform.
वेलकम बैक, मैं हूं शनाल और आप देख रहे हैं सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट साइंस पूनावाला ग्रुप हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड्स 2011. ब्रेक में जाने से पहले we met some of the award winners, but as I said, सारे बड़े awards अभी बाकी हैं. So let's have a look.
And to do the honours for the Timeless Icon Award, please put your hands together for the driving force behind the English newspaper with the largest circulation in the world across all formats, Mr. Vineet Jain.
The award for Timeless Icon goes to Asha Bhosle ji.
इतने बड़े मैगजीन ने ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए चुना, इसीलिए मैं सबकी आभारी हूँ. और कुछ नहीं, जानम समझा करो.
To do the honours for Business Leader of the Year Award, please welcome the visionary behind HDFC and the Indian government's go-to man in times of crises, Deepak Parekh.
Business Leader of the Year, my friend Mukesh Ambani. I want to congratulate Ruchika, Hello, and the team for really creating such a magnificent platform. So thank you, Ruchika.
Our personality of the year is an iconic actor and a global mega star. From Gurgaon to Germany, the hysteria that he generates, the fan following that he commands, remains unmatched even by Hollywood superstars.
And to present the Personality of the Year Award, please put your hands together for the First Lady of Corporate India, Mrs. Neeta Ambani.
Good evening. Personality of the Year Award, my dear friend, Shah Rukh.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ruchika. Thank you, the whole team at Hello. And I've been a part of this family for a long time, I think since when it started. Thank you very much.
और इसी के साथ we have come to an end of a star-studded Serum Institute साइंस पूनावाला ग्रुप हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड्स 2011. हम आपसे मिलेंगे दोबारा, ये हमारा वादा रहा. Till then, ciao and keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
For me, it's a huge achievement. Hello is a magazine that one's kind of grown up reading. To be here today to receive an award, I think for me is a huge achievement.
I wasn't expecting it at all. It's why I was really nervous on stage.
Actually, it was a real pleasant surprise. We always, get appreciation, and we want appreciation for our acting, for our looks in films. But, when I'm not doing movies and your style is being appreciated in personal life, it feels great.
It feels very nice. I think I've had a big and long association with Hello. And all the time they're very kind to me. So I think it's the kindness that they think I'm the personality of the year. But I think I take it with a lot of gratefulness and humility.